I'm nervous. It's about to step over? Oh. Wow. You guys. Wow. Hi, buddy.
Oh! 1, 2, 3.
Smile.
Strong.
Smile.
Morning. Damn, my throat is dry. Bro, my throat is really dry. Good morning. So we are in, this is our last hotel. We are in Bangkok. We're not in Phuket anymore. We left last night. This is our last day here in Thailand. Today we got a lot of crazy stuff going on. So we're about to ride some elephants. What else are we doing? Playing with some tigers and some other stuff. So it's gonna be a pretty busy day. Today's the last day. It's been a great vacation, and we enjoyed this vlog. Let's go.
Sit down, kid. Sit down.
Alright, what's up, you guys? So right now we're at the floating market. As you can see, we're in the boat. So one of the cool things about the floating market, it has a lot of souvenirs, a lot of everything. You're basically shopping on water. That's what's so cool about this floating market stuff. You get everything on the market floating. It's fancy, bougie, but it's also weird. It's very something different too.
What is this? Madam, this one, the dog park take care of the garden because the floating market open from the afternoon after work and I don't come back to that farm to take care.
Alright, so that's it for the floating market. And I think now we're going to the elephants. So, I'll see you when we get there. You guys, there's real life elephants here. Wow. Hi. Hi. Wow, that's amazing. Okay. Oh, I'm scared. I'm nervous. It's about to step over? Oh. Wow. You guys. Wow. That's amazing. You guys, we are really on an elephant and it's riding fast. I expected it to go a little slower. Wow.
How much for this one?
Look, you guys, it has saber teeth. That's dope. It's like it knows where to walk.
We'll see in a little bit.
Huh?
We'll see on our way out.
Oh, we are going in the water. Do they like being wet? We're about to go in the water and yeah. This is what life is about. Traveling, making memories. Purchase memories, y'all. Not materialistic things. Purchase memories. Remember that. You guys, that was amazing. That was so cool. We rode an actual elephant. You know what I'm saying? That's dope as hell. This is why memories are more important than materialistic items. How many people can say they rode an elephant? Alright, but next we're about to go see the tigers, so let's get to it. Made to the tiger spot and we're about to go see the tiger. I chose to do the baby one so I can hold it and feed it. And then they chose the medium-sized one, so yeah, we're gonna see. Whoa, look at him.
That is the giant.
That's crazy.
Are tigers considered cats?
Huh?
Are tigers cats?
Like a mini cat.
Ain't funny. Oh wait. Wait. I'm sorry. Can he smell my fear?
No. They have the smell that they're used to.
Alright.
If
If he jump on me, I promise you, I'm fighting everybody. I'm letting y'all know. Oh! Can I stand up? Oh wait. Get him away from me. Get him away. Can I stand up? Oh wait. Get him away from me. Get him away. The photo? Is it okay? Yeah. Oh no. Is it still recording? Still recording. I don't know if I can lay all the way on her. I'm too scared. Oh. She's like, I know he's behind me. Oh!
1, 2, 3.
Smile.
Strong.
Smile.
Strong. Yeah. Good. Okay. Good.
How much does she weigh? 5 pounds?
5 อะไร
Okay. There you go. She's right. She's 7.8. Alright guys, that was the baby one. Here's their parents. Look how big and beautiful it is. These are huge. Hi. That one. You don't want to be in there. Hey. Look how big her body is. She's looking for a way out. They don't want to be here. You guys, this is an amazing experience. Like I said with the elephant, this is what traveling is about, man. I'm making memories with these cats, the elephants. All this is great. you know, all this is because I sacrificed materialistic items and I chose to spend it on memories. You feel me? So I'm gonna keep saying it. Spend your money on memories, baby. Cause this shit, it can't be replaced. So after this, we're going back to the hotel, and then after the hotel, we're gonna get massages, and then after massages, we are going back to the airport to go home. So my day is pretty much done. This is pretty much it for Cancun. I mean, not Cancun, for Thailand. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me as much as I enjoyed making these. This was really, 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 really fun. Okay, this is really fun. I had a great time, and yeah, this is amazing. So thank you guys for coming out. I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, share it, tag your mama, tag everybody. You know, get your boy to 100K. I'm trying to get to 100K subscribers. You feel me? Alright, so thanks for coming out. Thanks for watching this video, you guys, and I'll see you for the next video. Say bye, Kim. Peace.